Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now today, the day that this video is being uploaded is January 30th, 2018, which as some of you may know is the 8-year anniversary of me starting this YouTube channel. So 8 years ago today, January 30th, 2010, I sat down and opened this very YouTube account right here that you guys are watching this video on right now. And I did not think that I would be doing this for 8 years, that I would have, over 12,000, almost 13,000 subscribers, over 3.3 million views, and just this awesome community that we have, worked to create here on this channel. So what I wanted to do today was to kind of go back and look at the past year, 2017, and kind of look at what we have done, what we have accomplished on this channel in this past year, and kind of a little look, to the future, as I have some pretty awesome videos planned. I know that I say that a lot, but I really, think that I've got some great things planned for this year, or at least, the first couple, weeks of this year. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So I thought the best way, to kind of start off this sort of look back / retrospective, it's not really a full, retrospective, but, kind of a look back at the channel. I thought a great way to do that would be to go back exactly 1 year ago today on January 30th, 2017, when I launched osforums.net and celebrated 7 years on YouTube with this video right here. And this is where that I obviously announced my new forum site at the time, osforums.net, and since then we've got an awesome community over there as well. I'm going to get into that in a little bit, but what I want to talk about, let me go ahead and make this full screen right here, is kind of what that these numbers say up here. So exactly 1 year ago today, we were sitting at almost 8,000 subscribers, almost 2 million views, and the whole channel still being called MJD7999, which was one of the biggest changes that I feel that I did this year. Is I changed the name from MJD7999 to Michael MJD, which is now the new name of my channel, and it has been for the past few, probably over 6 months. I don't know when exactly I made the switch. I think it was around the summer, maybe a little bit after the summer, 2017, and it was a move that I thought would be really good going forward to kind of make the channel look a little bit more professional, and also get my first name Michael out there, because a lot of people didn't really know that my name is Michael. That is my name, if you don't know, and to keep the MJD, because I really like the name MJD. There's people that have called me MJD on this channel. There's some people that probably don't even know that my name is Michael. They just call me by MJD, and I have liked using that as like my name. So I thought, well, to keep the best of both worlds, basically, we could call it Michael MJD, and it's just kind of stuck, and I've been really happy with it. I also opened up a new short URL, mjd.yt, which is a very, I also think it's very cool, very professional looking, the YT standing for YouTube, MJD being the MJD, and Michael MJD. I said MJD like 4 times there, but anyway, so yeah. 1 year ago today, we were sitting at just about 8,000 subscribers and almost 2 million views. We've gained over 1 million views just this year alone, and we've gained about 4,000 more subscribers on this channel, which is pretty awesome, pretty amazing. I know that I say that a lot, and I kind of feel like it sounds really cliche for me to come every year and just say like thank you guys so much, but it really is like I have never said that and like not meant it. I mean, because it's just really amazing. I mean, I don't know how else to express my thanks to all of you guys for continuing to stay here on this channel, continuing to watch, share, and like these videos and comment. Even when there's people that don't like the videos and they comment and they give me ways to oh you should have done this, whatever. I mean, that really helps a lot. Even constructive criticism is really helpful. I'm always trying to kind of improve what I do on this channel, always trying to make these videos better for all of you guys, and I can't do that without hearing your guys' feedback. So it's awesome when I get to hear your guys' feedback for a new video that I upload. So I just want to give once again a huge thank you to everybody out there, all 12,803 of you, and all those people that even aren't subscribed that still sit here and every once in a while I'll come back to this channel to kind of see what I've done since they last checked on this channel, as I'm sure there's a lot of people like that as well that aren't, fully subscribed yet. And I want to give a huge thank you to those people as well. I want to give a huge thank you to the people that this is their first video of mine that they're watching, because, you just by sitting here and watching this video, taking the time out of your day, means a whole lot to me. And it really, makes me want to do more of these videos in the future for you guys. So yeah, just thank you to all of you guys. OS Forums, of course, for those of you who don't know, just like a little side note here, OS Forums is the forum site that I made 1 year ago, and we've got a pretty awesome community over here. Basically, if you're not aware, it's this forum site where we come to talk about tons of different technology related topics. So we've got rooms in here for like software. Obviously the name is OS Forums because I found there's a lot of people on my channel that are interested in different computer operating systems, different computer software. So I thought making the forum site based out of that and kind of having that in the name as well would be somewhat attractive to people who wanted to get into a new community. So we've got awesome rooms in here, awesome people. We're sitting at, let's see here, we've got over 1,400 posts, we've got 239 total topics, and 207 members. These are our 5 newest members right here. So yeah, this is the forum site. I thought this would just be an awesome way to kind of interact with my awesome community here on a whole different level, in like a forum environment. So yeah, if you haven't signed up, if it sparks your interest, we're always accepting new members. It is free. I mean, it's a forum site. You just go and sign up and post if you want. So what else did we do this year? What kind of things have we accomplished in the realm of like actually doing video? Well, I thought that we would go back a little bit to when that I started the year 2017 and kind of take a look at what we did. So the first video that I did of 2017 on January 4th was the Apple Watch unboxing. Then we moved into doing a video on Tiny 7 on your USB drive, then into launching OS Forums, and we then went into the kind of the big thing for the beginning of the year was the new computer build, which is something that I put a lot of time and research into. And this computer has been awesome, not just for me playing games and stuff, but also for editing video for you guys on YouTube. It's really helped me with my workflow because it's a much faster system than what I've been using. So I made a lot of videos about that. We went into the WinX Diag video, and then we went into kind of a bigger video was the Windows Vista End of Support video, which got very popular. I'm not going to go through every individual one of these videos because it would take forever, but I just kind of want to point out like the bigger things that we did. We went into I did this whole tutorial showing you guys how to install USB Loader GX on your homebrewed Wii. So we did that. That video got very popular. We went into the iPhone prototype software videos, some more unboxings, a ton of different thrift store finds videos. We added another video to the Windows development history series. So we did the Windows 95 development, another PC build right here. We did the MSN Messenger retrospective, another addition to the North Korean computing series, and a bunch of additions to the unofficial Windows series. So we have done just a ton of stuff this year. Yeah, guys, I guess that really just pretty much wraps it up for this little video. This isn't going to be some super overproduced or anything. I just kind of want to sit down and just talk to you guys, and I just want to give once again, no matter how cliche it sounds, just a huge thank you to all of you guys for continuing to just support me, support this channel, support what we're doing here. I really do appreciate it, and it means a whole lot to me that you guys even care to watch these videos. So guys, that's really all that I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe down below, letting me know what you think, because as I've said, your feedback helps a ton. Guys, just a huge thank you once again, and I will see all of you guys in the next video.